my kitchen pipe is leaking.
Is water on the floor?
Yes, water is everywhere now.
Did you close main valve?
Where is the main valve?
Is it under the sink?
Yes, I closed it now.
Do you need me now?
Can you come very fast?
What is your home address?
I live on Pine Street.
Are you at home now?
Yes, I am waiting here.
I will bring my tools.
Do you need paper cash?
Yes, I only take cash.
How much is the visit?
It is $50 cash.
Is the pipe totally broken?
I must see it first.
I will show it soon.
I will knock your door.
Thank you for quick help.
See you in 10 minutes.
I will be right here.
My house has no power.
Are the streetlights on?
Yes, the street is bright.
Did you check breaker box?
Where is the breaker box?
Is it in the garage?
Yes, I see the box.
Are all switches flipped up?
One switch is flipped down.
Did you push it up?
Yes, but it falls down.
Do you smell burning wire?
No, I smell nothing bad.
Do not touch it again.
Can you fix the wire?
Yes, I can fix it.
Will it cost much money?
It costs 40 paper dollars.
When can you drive here?
I can drive right now.
Do I wait outside house?
Yes, wait near front door.
I have the paper money.
I will drive my truck.
Drive safe and see you.
I lost my house keys.
Are you locked outside now?
Yes, I cannot go inside.
Is the door heavy metal?
No, it is wooden door.
Does it have two locks?
It has only one lock.
Do you have your ID?
Yes, my ID is here.
Must I drill the lock?
Can you pick it open?
I can try picking it.
Will I need new keys?
Do you want new lock?
Yes, a new lock, please.
I have strong new locks.
How much is new lock?
It is $60 cash.
I have the exact cash.
Can you text your address?
I am texting it now.
Did you receive my message?
Yes, you arrive very soon.
Wait near the wooden door.
I will wait for you.
My bathroom toilet is clogged.
Did you drop something inside?
No, just too much paper.
Did you use a plunger?
Yes, but water stays high.
Is water spilling on floor?
No, it is not spilling.
Do you want me there?
Yes, please come fix it.
Are you living in apartment?
Yes, apartment number is 5.
What floor is apartment 5?
It is on 2nd floor.
Is the front door open?
No, I will open it.
I have a long snake.
Does it clear the pipe?
Yes, it clears every pipe.
How much is your work?
It is $30 cash.
Will you clean the mess?
Yes, I work very clean.
Thank you for coming fast.
I am driving there now.
I will prepare paper cash.
My glass window is broken.
Did a heavy rock hit?
Yes. Kids played with ball.
Is the glass on floor?
Yes, much glass is there.
Did you sweep the floor?
Should I sweep it now?
Yes, please sweep it carefully.
Can you bring new glass?
What size is your window?
It is a small square.
Do you want thick glass?
Yes, very thick, strong glass.
I will measure it exactly.
When will you drive here?
I can come after lunch.
Is 2 o'clock good time?
Yes, 2 o'clock is perfect.
How much for new glass?
It is exactly $50.
Do you take paper cash?
I only accept paper cash.
I will sweep the room.
See you at 2 o'clock.
Thank you for your help.